Good morning, children. Today I will teach you chemistry. My topic for today will be separation of mixture in two liquids. When two liquids will be mixed, then how they will be separated. Today we will study how two liquids will be, the mixture of two liquids will be separated. Then if two liquids will be mixed up, generally it will be difficult to separate them, but there are two methods with the help of which we can separate two liquids also. The first process is by the process of fractional distillation. First, by the process of fractional distillation, and second, by using separating funnel. These are the two methods with the help of which we can also separate the mixture of two liquids. My dear children, you are knowing there are two kinds of liquids, miscible and immiscible. Miscible and immiscible. Miscible liquids are those liquids which are mixed up totally. Means you will be unable to diagnose after seeing from your naked eye that whether that is the mixture of two liquids. Means both the liquids will not be visible. They will be visualized in the form of only one liquid. Then those liquids which are mixed up totally are known as miscible, and those liquids which are not totally mixed up are known as immiscible. The example of miscible liquid is the mixture of alcohol and water. When alcohol and water will be mixed up, then it will be difficult to tell that how much water is present in that mixture and how much alcohol is present in that mixture. Then the mixture of alcohol and water is miscible mixture, and immiscible, the mixture of oil and water. When you will keep oil in or drop oil in the water, you will be capable to see the oil on the surface of the water. Then the mixture of oil and water will be the immiscible mixture. Now, how we will separate the mixture of alcohol and water? Alcohol and water is miscible mixture. Then miscible mixture are separated with the help of fractional distillation. Then fractional distillation is the process where apparatus is fitted in such a way so that it would be on the different temperature. There is different temperature, and on the basis of the boiling point of those mixture, they are separated. Suppose we are taking the mixture of alcohol and water. Then what is the boiling point of water? The boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade, and the boiling point of alcohol is 78 degrees centigrade. Then when we will keep the mixture of alcohol and water, and apparatus will be started, then when temperature, we will give the temperature at 78 degree, then alcohol will start boiling, because the boiling point of alcohol is 78 degree centigrade, and when alcohol will start boiling, we will separate that alcohol, and when we will give the temperature of 100 degree centigrade, then water will start boiling. Then at 100 degree centigrade also we will be capable to separate the water. Thus, by the means of fractional distillation, we saw that on the basis of the boiling point of the substance which are mixed up in that mixture can be separated by giving the temperature on its boiling point. Then we came to know, we see how the mixture of alcohol and water will be separated by means of fractional distillation. This was the topic for today, my jet reason. I will give you some question on my topic which you will do in your copy. And again we will meet in next class. Thank you.